Mrs. Gomi paid $160 for an oven during a sale after a 20% discount. What was the original price of the oven? So original price is always 100%. Okay, what is discounted price which she paid for? That will be 100%. Take away the discount. She only paid 80% of the original price. So 80% represents $160. We need to find 100%. Okay, so you can find 1% first. $2, and then we can find 100%, which is $200. Okay, final answer for this question, $200. Now, if you want, you can even from here, instead of finding 1%, you can find 10%. Divide by 8 instead. And then you find 100% times 10. Okay, whichever way works best for you, please adopt that way. Okay, if you find that this is better, then you don't need to find the 1% because it's rather a nice number here. Okay, so answer $200.